So this is where we're at. My counter is upside down. That's worrisome. As long as the video is good. So that's my setup. Did a little due diligence lift up on that side because it was lifting a little uneven on off via the hook, so I just changed its point of transition. Hopefully with the transition on there, it won't change it too much. It'll still be angled down, but that'll help me put it in. So I'm just getting ready to put in the bolts to the flywheel. I'll Loctite them and set it torque, and then I'll show it all together. Okay, so I got a little, you know, uppity, and ended up putting it all together, transmission and everything, and popped it in here. So I've got two mounts on. The third mount you see down in there isn't on. It's actually up and above and forward. And then the one in the back there, I actually ended up taking off the bracket so I could slip it in there easier. Because it was this one on the right-hand transmission there, you have to go up into that slot, and it's hard to do that while getting that one and that one in place. So those are my troubles. So I popped in the mount on the left side underneath the light flare, and then it's in, but I got to figure out the air manifold. It's a little tight there, and then I got to figure out the mounted bracket here, and there's a lot of things to do and a lot of little finite things that I'll need a lot of help when. I mean, I may end up even just pulling it back up out of here because all of the plugs and everything are all smushed so close tight back there. I gotta wire those in or figure that out. So one thing at a time. All right. Good morning, sir. I have been busy. As you may or may not know, this was empty yesterday, and the transmission and clutch weren't in, and I just have to figure out a couple mounting issues, and it's a little tight in the back there. And other than that, everything's gone together. All the timing's figured out and set, and all the belts are set, and it fits the space, and yeah. Hopefully I'll be running in a little while. Alright, so I put the hood on. I was just checking that I had my clearance on my hood here. It's all in. Mounted. Mount in the rear there you can't see in the deck. I'm going to move forward, put the exhaust manifold on, and start potentially plumbing the rest of the air, radiator and the rest of it all in here. But realistically, I just got to figure out how much space I have to work with in here, and I got to resituate this latch because I had taken out a lot of structural integrity in there. So we're going to be doing that in the next little bit. Of course, there's a lot of little details, little things that I got to go over and figure out, especially for the turbocharger and all of the stuff on this side out here, and we'll be figuring out that